It's time. What? It's time. What? To fill that gut. What? So fill it up. What makes mukbang? What up, my Manksters? Okay, today I have a Reuben sandwich, homemade, and I also have Brussels sprouts, sauteed Brussels sprouts. Now, I'm going to let y'all know right now. Me, I have never had Brussels sprouts in my life, and I've also never, believe it or not, had a Reuben in my life. I've had corned beef sandwiches, but I've never had a Reuben because I don't like sauerkraut. And once I saw sauerkraut was on that sandwich, I was like, no, I don't want it. I never tried it, anything, okay? So this will be the first time I'm trying it because my husband made Reubens tonight. He made homemade everything, like corned beef. Of course, the bread's from the store, but he cooked the corned beef, cut it up himself, got the sauerkraut, the azal dressing, everything, and made sandwiches. So I'll try it. I made the Brussels sprouts. Even though I never had it before, I decided to go ahead and make it. Looked up, saw how people made it. I'm like, oh, we just sauteed, okay. So that's what I did. Of course, I put seasoning, garlic, and sauteed in butter. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, let me get a prayer in because I've noticed lately a couple of videos I forgot to do my prayer. So all right, let's get it in. Let's try it. So first, I am going to try the Brussels sprouts. Okay, so let's go. So it's a very strong flavor. It's okay. It's not nasty. It's good. I like the flavor of it, but the flavor is like super strong. It's almost like super strong cabbage, like super strong. But it also has like a little bitter flavor to it. I don't know. Okay. Let's try this Reuben now. Ooh, I should have cut it. Y'all go ahead and take that bite. First bite, y'all can have it. There you go. You know what? You can't really taste the sauerkraut. It's like everything else cancels it out. So that's good. Because I don't like sauerkraut. My sandwich all falling apart, Lord. Mm. Okay. I eat this. Mm. You guys don't hear my kids in the background. They're supposed to be in bed, but kids clown. Mm. My bread did get a little bit soggy right here. That's from the sauerkraut, and plus it's been like sitting for a minute, so I was setting up the sandwich. So I'm gonna pull that soggy part out because I don't want this to turn me off. Once this turns me off, I will not eat it. So, mm. So how y'all been doing today? Mm. Mm-mm. I know y'all can't see. I'm trying to hide it from y'all because I want to turn y'all off. Me pulling stuff out of my mouth. Mm-hmm. So a lot of fat on here. I'm trying to pull the fat off, but it ain't working. Mm-hmm. There we go. All right. Mm-hmm. Stop falling out. Only thing is I wish he would have cut these thinner. Other than that, this is good. Why haven't I tried Reuben all this time? Like, I'm so crazy because of sauerkraut. Help me, y'all. Okay, this is good. Woo. Okay. Get my meat back in here. It's so good. Reach over here. I'm gonna do my spotlight and my shout outs really quick. Wash this off my hands. Eat a couple of these Brussels sprouts. It's not bad. I never go out and eat Brussels sprouts ever. Cold water bottle. Is it open? Nope. All right, let's see. All right, my spotlight for today is Avery Home Search. Now, Avery Home Search has 1.2K subscribers. Y'all, I love this lady channel. She renovates homes, you guys. This is a bomb. If y'all want a DIY project, I am telling you, she will teach you how to do it. It's so freaking nice. And it's, every once in a while, she'll throw a mukbang in there. So that's really nice. And her son is so freaking adorable. This little boy is so cute. But yeah, you guys go check her out. I'm telling you, she'll teach you how to do all kinds of stuff. Have your house hooked up. I'm telling you. Excuse me. So go ahead and check out Avery Home Search. I'll have her link in the description box down below. And my shout outs is going to be on my homemade chipotle salad mukbang. All right. So shout out to Stop by Sam's. Shout out to Avery Home Search. Shout out to Veggie Pal. Shout out to SJ ASMR and more. Shout out to Deline Lucis. Shout out to Tanisha Latrell. I'm sorry, Tashania Latrell. Woo, Tanisha. Y'all gotta help me because I be doing too much sometimes. All right, shout out to Lisa K. Shout out to Victoria Stokes. Shout out to N. Got Cali. Shout out to Clay ASMR. Shout out to Limitless by Vila Nor. Shout out to Orlito and Mommy. Shout out to Black Gemini, Al Jerome. All right. Shout out to Rudy Ange. Shout out to Zephaniah 2020 gang. Shout out to Cherie Vlog. Shout out to Azriel the Rights. Shout out to Keeping Up with the Joneses. Shout out to Darlene Reese. Shout out to ASMR Cravings. Shout out to Chef RJ Soul Food and More Edwards. Shout out to Mystics ASMR. Shout out to Shan MM. Shout out to Mukbang Mermaid. The Mukbang Mermaid. I just had to do it. Shout out to True Family Gang. Shout out to Mary Jane Clark. Shout out to Uncle Chuckles. And shout out to Basmata Hassan. Thank you guys so much for coming on my video. And what made Burbank said, well, I'm slithering to the kitchen now. This mukbang got me hungry. Slithering to the kitchen. He's hilarious. Or she's hilarious, sorry. But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming on the video. Remember, if you want a shout out, just comment down below and I will shout you out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with any and everyone. And I will see you next time. Bye. Now I'm going to finish this up.